Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to send large video on WhatsApp. Friends, if you want to send large video files to someone on WhatsApp, then you need to open the chat window of the person. Now here you need to press on the attachment icon. Now here normally we select gallery to send our video, but if you want your video file to send uncompressed, then you need to select documents. Now in documents you can see we can send file size up to 2 GB. So you need to press on the browse documents. Now here you need to find your video file. Now here you can see I have a video file of 1.45 GB. So I will select this file. Now here you can see this is the file name of our video file and it is showing the size 1.5 GB. Now I will press the send button to send this file. So basically here it will send the video file as a document and it will not show the preview of the video. So friends, as you can see it has started uploading my file. So it will take time according to the speed of internet. As you can see it has done 4% and it is showing 8 minutes left. So I will pause this upload as I don't want it to send this file. So friends, like this you can very easily send a large video file of up to 2 GB in WhatsApp uncompressed.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.